So this morning I managed to get up to the boat nice and early before the sort of midday breezes kick in, and was able to fully weld the top half of the transom on, and that's come up quite nicely now. It needs to be ground off and tidied up, but it looks very nice. I'm quite happy with it. It's got a good shape all round. So what I'm about to do now is go inside and weld up the inside of it. One thing that completely filling a transom in now as one issue that is created is I can't access the boat, or I couldn't access the boat from the back end. I could only go down, you can see the ladder there, I could only go down through the windscreen area. So I've marked out the companionway cutout, the companionway on the hatch, and cut that out with the plasma already. So now I can drop a ladder down through inside the boat here, and that'll allow me to be able to get up and down. Also I'll be able to put the welder and the plasma cutter, there's the plasma cutter there, I'll be able to drop them down inside and work, and then pull them back out again if I need to. So now I'm going to nip down inside and get that welding done, and hopefully before it gets too late in the day finish grinding off, and then clean up that back area and just slap a coat of primer over it to keep the weather off. And hopefully next weekend I'll go inside. We've still got I've got a bit of a ridge along this hoop deck floor here where I've joined the plate. I couldn't get a piece of plate long enough and that width, so I had to join it. So I'm going to see if I can't use a oxyacetylene, the heating torch, to flatten that out a little bit. And then I've got a little bit of a bow here in this area, so underneath I'll get down, and it's got to have stringers anyway, but I'll put stringers underneath this section here, and then I'll push them up to take this inward bow out of these plates to make them nice and rounded and in a good shape. So I'll move on to the welding.